Let's talk about the science of ghosts and the undeniable effects their presence has on anthropology.
The numinous idea that a spirit inhabits a physical form is pretty much a constant throughout every culture ever, making it difficult because when cultural factors influence psychological states so adamantly that it is a part of a species' evolution, as it is with humanity, separating those influences has to be a matter of intellectual self-reliance. To break away from those emotional responses and cognitive biases requires a person to acknowledge observable truths about themselves, where they come from, and who they are as a link in a very long chain of peoples from different places. Limitations of human perception, biochemical influences, biological factors, and ordinary exterior physical explanations can account for ghost sightings. Air pressure and humidity changes can have startling effects on houses over time. The frailties of the human body are legion. Sleep paralysis during REM can trigger hallucinations. Environmental factors that affect the body like high altitudes, low oxygen conditions, electromagnetic fields, even extreme temperatures can affect brain chemistry and have odd results. Apophenia and pareidolia are natural tendencies to see and make meaningful sense of the world around us. Is that Jesus on foodstuffs, or a ghost made out of a heap of unfolded laundry? The human brain is an amazing biological machine that processes information, but like any machine, it does not always function optimally. The temporal-parietal junction integrates sensory signals from both inside and outside the body, proving there is in fact more of gravy than of grave. The frontal parietal cortex processes body movement and spatial awareness, and when taxed can misinterpret your own body as an external presence, the most likely source for out-of-body experiences. The temporal lobes are the epicenter of audiovisual processing. The tiniest misfire there can trigger hallucinations of all sorts. The amygdala and hypothalamus are your emotional interpretation processing plants. Hormones caused by stress, lack of sleep, and any other perceived environmental stimuli can put your brain on high alert and panic mode, which is not a great place to be making unemotional observations from.
My thoughts and opinions on the science of ghosts. The human brain may be the hardest thing for us to study in the universe. Think about it. We are essentially studying the thing with which we wish to study, with the same mechanism doing the studying. Even with our advanced technologies, the human brain is the most complex organ that we may never fully understand. We have trouble admitting that. Science is supposed to be able to explain everything given sufficient data. That is the beauty and the appeal. The problem is the limit to human comprehension, and each human is different, but even the most advanced and intelligent among us has a cognitive terminus. That does not mean that science or its explanation has failed. The fallibility lies in us.